Hello guys, good morning. I'm very happy you are here. I'm Rinske Douna and this is my art channel. Today I'm gonna make an acrylic pour in that style that you see behind me. I'm gonna do an ocean piece. It's a little longer than those two. It's 30 by 80 centimeters. And normally when I do an ocean piece, on the top I pour white. But this time I'll be using Winsor Blue. And Winsor Blue is a very dark blue color, and it will dry even darker. So yeah, looking forward to that. Let's get started. Okay, let me show you the colors first. This is the Winsor Blue I was talking about. And I have, by the way, silver today. I almost never use that. And this is an turquoise, deep turquoise by Winsor & Newton as well. Maybe you see it as blue, but it is definitely turquoise. The camera has a lot of trouble to pick up that color. Titanium white, some sky blue, it's already poured in this bottle, and a gold. So let's get started. I will first start layering the Winsor Blue, and I think I will do half of the canvas. And I will do the sides here real quick, but the Winsor Blue is a transparent color. So it might be that it's not covering the sides fully, but that's okay. And this is an old canvas. I guess I tried here before an ocean piece. Didn't work out because it has a blue base. Okay, and now I will start pouring here the other colors. And I think I will start here with that deep turquoise. With Winsor Blue again here as well. Some white. Makes a pretty color. Then the sky blue. And I'll pour the, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I will pour the metallics last, because I want them more a bit on top. I don't know if the inversion is gonna work out. But we'll see. This is very light here now. Okay, some gold. And some of the silver. Let's pour it from the other side. I think a stroke of silver still here too. All right. I'll be blowing this first to myself and then blow it out. Oh, looking pretty so far. Okay, let's blow it like that way. It's looking cool. I think the gold will pop up a bit more. I see here some silver, so that's great. And I know this color is gonna dry so dark, that's beautiful. Not a fan of how this is moving here, so I will blow there a little bit. Okay. Yeah, I do like the composition, but there can be a lot more gold and silver in this. I will start torching this, hoping it will pop up, and otherwise I feel like I need to, do that still. So here we go with the torch. I need to find the gold. Where are you? Oh, a lot of cells are popping up, so that's great. We'll make it a bit more interesting. No, missing gold. And silver, we lost the silver totally. Oh no, here it is. And here's some. Yeah, guys. How are we gonna do that? Okay, I will do some gold in this small cup and then pour it in the middle, and I think I will start swiping it with the palette knife. Okay. Where do we want some gold? There. Okay. Let's see how this will go. Okay, well, I'm ready to give you a close-up, but I think the dry result would be more interesting. So I will show you that as well. Okay, it looks a little bit different now because I stopped the camera and got some lunch. Came back and I saw that it was really moving. So there was too much paint on the canvas. So I decided to blow it out just a little bit more. Yeah, pretty happy so far. Can't wait to see how this dries. I will show you as well how it looks when dry, because I think with this piece you can't really say it now when it's wet. Also, there's so much reflection, you see? It's insane. But you do, you do see all that turquoise now, don't you? A lot of details, still some gold in there. Okay, yep, gonna be a good one, I guess. So, let me show you the dried result.